And with hurricane season underway, some builders are hoping to ease forecast concerns. 4 new homes in New Orleans East, they meet the fortified gold standard built to withstand hurricane impacts. Alyssa Curtis explains how building more of these could lead to a decrease in insurance costs across the area.
During a hurricane, there's a lot to worry about. Developer O.G. Alexander says your home shouldn't be one of them.
We need to build homes that when, if folks are able to evacuate, that when they come back, their home is still going to be there. If they can't evacuate, again, we want to make sure that they're in a sturdy, safe home.
So he's helping to ease weather worries. His company, People's Housing Plus, took on a challenge from the New Orleans Redevelopment Authority to build 4 fortified gold standard homes in under 100 days.
Making sure that roofs don't fly off, that houses don't come off of the foundations. We've got impact windows.
And it's not just about riding out storms. It's about saving you money.
We're expecting a reduction in the insurance.
The developer tells us the insurance quote on this home came back at $1,700 a year.
It is translating to savings to our homeowners.
New Orleans Redevelopment Authority requires all homes built with them to meet these standards. But Executive Director Brenda Bro is hoping other builders take on that responsibility too.
Imagine that impact in this region to the cost of insurance, and to let our insurance providers know that we protected ourselves, we've taken those steps. Now it's up to you to deliver on that.
And State Senator Kirk Talbot, who chairs the Senate Insurance Committee, says if they do, it'll be a huge win for the region.
And that's the message we're trying to send the rest of the country, mainly the insurance industry. We know we have a problem. We have a propensity for named storms to make a landfall here, and we're doing everything we can do about it.
Reducing storm impacts and the cost that comes with it. Alyssa Curtis, WWL, Louisiana.
Senator Talbot says they're trying to encourage as many people as possible to upgrade to a fortified roof. He says a bill that passed this session will give you a $10,000 tax credit if you install that fortified roof.